everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to take a look at how you're able to customize the look of your gallery. Now this is the original stock Samsung Gallery application that we're talking about today. This is where it shows you all your different albums as well as your different pictures in different tabs. Now there's different ways to view all of your content, and some of you might know this, some of you might not, but let's say that you look inside of the Pictures tab first. What you're able to do is give a pinch to zoom. Now you're able to go inside of this little view here, which is where all of the images are super small, but it makes it really fast and easy for you to find something without having to scroll. But if you needed to take a better look at all of these images, you're able to zoom in, and this one right here is pretty good. They're actually pretty big tiles, but then when you go just a little bit larger, it's going to show you pictures in the same ratio of what they are. So you have this ratio that's like 5:4. This was a screenshot taken vertically. Here's a couple vertical images taken. This image here was also one there. I mean, it's just the way that they're all laid out is actually really fun. Now, the cool thing is that you're also able to do that with your albums. So when you take a look at your albums, if you wanted to go all the way out, so you're zoomed all the way out, you're going to have basically a list of all your different albums. When you zoom in, you're going to see a little bit smaller of these images here than what you would view here. And then when you zoom in all the way, this is going to be your largest one. So you're going to be able to have it only go, basically 2 wide when it comes to this one. This one you're able to go 3 wide, and then this one's going to be a list of all the different ones. So this is a really nice way that you're able to customize your images. You might have known it, you might not have. Maybe you need to take a view of these images and tiles a little bit larger than what you would normally do. But then this one here, you can bring it all the way down just to have a full list of all of your images. And so far, this is all the pictures I've taken on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, one thing that's actually really cool with this image here is that when you're inside of that Photos tab, let's say I zoom in towards the bottom, then what's going to happen is it's always going to zoom into this area, those images there. Now, as you saw, I was scrolling into this one here. So now let's say that we wanted to zoom in on stuff that's up over here. So now you're going to see that it'll pull in and zoom into that little area of what you wanted to really take a look at. Other than that, you'd have to give it a little bit of a little swipe to move it up. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. You can subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I